called out to another flood. Pipe was leaking behind the refrigerator. Fixed that already. While I was here, homeowner noticed the leak spot in the ceiling, so I opened it up, and there's some piping in there, you can't see, but apparently the leak is coming from the Moen shower valve, and I will show you that here in a second. Okay, so when I open the water, the cartridge lets water trickle through here, and it drips back down the sleeve, down the wall, to the second floor downstairs, or the first floor downstairs, excuse me. So what I'm going to do is take that out, replace it, the new one, and see if that stops the dripping. I will let you know. So I'll remove the old one with my handy dandy tool, and placing a new one back in. Make sure that sits all the way in. Put this clip back in here. And sometimes it wants to be a little pain in the butt. Okay, and then the sleeve goes back on, and then the handle. So we're going to go downstairs and turn the water on and see if that stops the dripping. No more leaking.